the welcome flow. This is the first series of emails that most people are going to receive from you. A lot of people have a popover on their homepage. Like as soon as you land on their homepage, they've got a popover. The way that we get people on our welcome flow, which is what this is called, is we have it triggered on exit intent. So if you're on one of our blog posts or a pre-sell article or anything like that, that's not a product page or about selling a product, we're going to pop up an opt-in that says, hey, would you like to just join our list? And at the top of our store and at the top of every page of our site, we've got a link to join our Boom Club, which is just our general site-wide all-purpose opt-in, and that will put you on the welcome flow as well. Now, the welcome flow has three main parts. The first part is kind of to welcome them, get them to join our social communities, and get them to engage with our blog. You'll notice we start a lot of our sequences this way. We want to, we don't want to be pressure. We don't want a heavy sale, especially if they're not really engaging with content yet, or sorry, they're not really engaging with products yet. We don't want to start pushing them. We just want to get them to our social channels, get them to our blog so we can pixel them and offer them some content. And then we move into starting to sell. So we've got email 4 here, which is selling a specific product, happens to be our most popular product. Email 5, we're using a pre-sell article to kind of build up the value of our main 3 products. And then email 6, we're saying, hey, this discount that you get on Boomstick Color, which is our most popular product, is expiring. Then email 7, 8, 9, we wait a little bit, we offer some content, and then we implement that discount ladder functionality where we increase the size of the discount to try to really get that sale because they've now been on the list for long enough where if they haven't taken action, we want them to take action. We're going to give them our biggest incentive to do so. So this lives in the first early stage pre-purchase pillar here, and it's actually worth quite a lot. You can see that it's worth $1.52 for each person who joins it, and it's 19% of our total automation revenue from flows. So let's take a look at the first email in this flow. Again, you're going to have this PDF where you can see the image of the email and all of the information and where it links to, but let's just go ahead and look at it inside of Klaviyo. All right, so this is going to be triggered when someone subscribes to it in the ways that I mentioned, and notice that it's not going to fire if they're on that 10% off hot list. So we have what's called a filter, which is going to filter out anyone who joins the 10% off hot list. We're also going to filter out anyone who placed an order and anyone who started a checkout. So basically, this is not going to go to anyone who makes it further down the funnel. We're filtering out anyone further down the funnel. If they get put in that 10% hot list, they're taken out of this and put into that. They're not in this anymore. The first email is worth $13,000. And take a look at this. Basically, we're just pushing them over to a blog post. What's interesting though is that the folks who go to this blog post, they can always shop right at the top. Right at the top of the blog is a link to shop, and a lot of people do go ahead and shop, as you can see by the value of this initial email being worth $13,000. Now the next email is another content email. It's worth $2,000 in the last 30 days here, and this email is really a social CTA email. It's saying, hey, everyone is telling you that you should be anti-aging, and we don't think so. And also check out our store, join our community, message us on Facebook. So it's a real social call to action. Then we start to get into some product promo. We do a little piece of content, and then here we're promoting a specific individual item, right? Hey, Boomstick Color is awesome. It's our most popular product. Here's why it's good. Go ahead and get 10% off of it. And I recommend in your welcome sequence, they haven't bought yet. Promote your most popular items. Use content in your emails to promote the most popular items. You'll notice that we then continue on. We have an email that goes out that's talking about why they would want, how the different ways you could use this product. This is known as a pre-sale engagement email, where it's basically about how you could specifically use this product, and it reminds them that they have that 10% off discount. $1,000 on that one. And then this one is the deadline saying, hey, this discount is going away. If you want to engage with this product, if you want to buy from us, now's your last chance. Here's some reasons that you would do that. And then we go into a little more content. You'll notice the sales drop. But then a day later, which is day number 9, we say, hey, you can get your 15% off. And then we say, hey, your 15% off is going away. So these final emails in the discount ladder perform extremely well. We start by welcoming them, and then we begin to promote a specific product with a discount. Then we offer some content, and then we engage with our discount ladder. And you'll notice that the discount ladder emails at the end and the welcome email are by far the most valuable. And you can check out all of that in the spreadsheet. I wanted to spend less time breaking down every single email because I don't want to waste your time. You can look at the spreadsheet, you can look at the PDFs, you can read that, but I wanted to give you kind of the philosophy behind each of these flows because I feel like that's even more important. The specifics you can look at what our purpose is, you can copy that, you can copy our copy, like you can go in there, into the spreadsheet, into the copy document, into the PDF and review that. But just understanding what we're doing from a psychological level is the most important because then you can filter it with whatever, you can replace it with whatever content you want as long as you understand what we're doing, which is welcome them, promote the most popular item / the item that has the highest margins, offer a little bit of content, and then discount ladder to really push for that sale. This is the welcome sequence. It's a very important sequence. I want to make sure that on every page of your website, you've got a call to action to opt in. You'll be surprised how many people who visit your site will actually opt in just from that general site-wide opt-in in the header. Get a welcome sequence going. I'll see you in the next video.